Try not to hold me down, feel alive